The Fractal Flow Strategy video course is officially being released today. As I promised in previous videos, everyone who bought the PDF version of the strategy will get the video course for free. You should have received an email with the link to download the video course. If you haven't received the email, please check all your mail boxes, or send us an email to solve the issue. The video course has approximately 4 hours of content divided into 74 video lectures covering advanced topics about foundational trading principles, advanced technical analysis, solid risk management and deep trading psychology. We will go deeper into the advanced types of divergences and precise momentum analysis. The important concept of the fractal candle. The 4 elements of candlestick reading, and support and resistance lines. In the risk management portion, we will dive into the idea of expectancy. Risk-reward ratios and their optimal range, which is derived from the logarithmic curve of margin of error increments. We also will talk about position sizing, risk contraction and expansion, and the idea of shooting stops forward. In the trading psychology and behavioral economics section of the course, we will talk about the prospect theory, the intelligence paradox, and 36 cognitive biases that are relevant to traders. There are also 8 highly detailed live trade examples of the fractal flow strategy being applied in various currency pairs and timeframes. There was a lot of work and dedication involved in the creation of the Fractal Flow Strategy video course, and there are several important insights and epiphanies about trading that are the result of more than 1 decade of relentless study about the markets and their underlying nature. I sincerely hope that you make the best out of this course. The normal activity of the channel will now continue, and the creation of the market maker strategy will begin. Once again, thank you very much for watching and I hope you all have a nice weekend.